In Wealth Gym, I think I talked about it earlier, it's where we teach others about financial freedom. We have 5 different stages. So stage 1 is destroying high interest debt. Stage 2 is building your safety net. Stage 3 is level 1 financial freedom. This is what I call living in peace. This is where your passive income pays for all of your needs, right? So it doesn't pay for like all the fancy stuff you want, but it pays for your needs, your housing, your food, your transportation, things like that. Stage 4 is level 2 financial freedom, living in comfort. And this is where your passive income pays for your needs and your wants. So if you like eating out, however much often, your passive income pays for all that. So you don't even have to worry about where that money is coming from, because you already have passive income that pays for all of it. And then stage 5, level 3, is where we all want to be, right? You have a little koala on some beach somewhere, and they're just collecting more and more passive income. We call this living in abundance, where your passive income pays for your needs, your wants, and so much more that you can't even spend it if you tried. So that is the goal, to be that level 3 living in abundance koala.